What's up, everybody? My name is Frank Henderson, and I am the CEO and founder of Frank Henderson Financial. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business? If so, we need to connect. Entrepreneurship is one of the most powerful ways that a person can change their life in every area. July 14, 2018 is a day you don't want to miss. We are holding our first ever Starting and Maintaining Your Business one-on-one workshop for entrepreneurs. People just like you and people just like me that are hungry to be business owners. It's going to be held at the Google Fiber event space at 518 West Jones Street in the heart of Raleigh, North Carolina. We're not just going to inspire and give information. We are going to actually show you where to go, what paperwork it is you need to fill out, and how to live the life that you've always wanted to live as a business owner on your own terms. Again, it's at 518 West Jones Street. If you're serious about becoming an entrepreneur, I want to see you in the building. Make sure you check the links in the video so that you can be at the 2018 Starting and Maintaining Your Business one-on-one with Frank Henderson Financial and my team. We'll see you there.